Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to add a background to your display in BibleSock Pro in OBS. Now if you come over to your settings here, if you open your OBS and you come over to settings for your BibleSock Pro, you click on settings here, go to background, change it. If you want color, it's already in color, so you can switch between color, image, video. So for the full screen, you can see it's currently on background color, solid color. So I can switch it to gradient, switch it back to this. Lower third also can have gradient or back to this. Or you can decide to use an image background. So if you want an image background, go to settings, go to background, go to image. You have the option of either uploading the image or using a URL. So I'm going to use a URL in this case. I will just go to my browser, search for a background, right click and do copy image address. Then if I go back to OBS, I will just paste the link. So the background will appear right there. Then if you switch to lower third, you see that's what you have. Full screen, that's what you have. So you can do the same if you upload the image. Can go over there. If you have an image, also just click on upload and then click upload image. Look for the image on your desktop or wherever. So we're just going to put an image for now, but you just ignore it because I will just use a random image that might not fit. So I'm just going to use this for example. You see, it shows the image right there, and if I go to lower third, it shows in lower third, but I just want you to ignore it. It is just for example's sake. So now if you go to settings and let's say it's in lower third, right, you can go to settings as well and go to the background. Under lower third, you can move that image vertically so that you can choose the part of the image you want to use. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and comment. See you later. Bye.